let's go into some fast answers. I'm going to throw out some words, sort of hot words or hot ideas that are going on right now, and I'd love to get your sort of fast reactions to them. We'll just go back and forth between the two of you, all right?
I feel like I just want. Go ahead.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm great.
All right. All right, Facebook.
Hot.
The establishment.
Ooh. All right, 3D printing. 3D printing.
Early.
Gun control. Let me
Yeah.
That's pretty wild.
We got a smart crowd.
Yeah.
I wanted to go, but clearly
Yeah, I know,
most of them got it, which is like, we debate these things of like, people don't let them buy guns at shows. I'm like, they're gonna fucking make guns in like 4 minutes.
All right, interesting. All right, Twitter. Tired.
Attention issues. The fire hose is too loud and the attention graph is broken on Twitter as it sits right now.
Google.
Tough to compete with, I'll tell you that. I'm in IAC, which has Match.com, which has all the other search engines and other things, and Google's one tough ass guy to do business with.
Yep. Google.
A search company that should be dramatically more, and every second I'm just waiting to do that.
Jeff Bezos.
Big balls.
Oh my God.
Love them.
Okay.
Big hairy balls.
Oh God.
I'm a huge fan. I think he's as good of a CEO as there is.
I'm a huge fan.
All right. Okay. Well, Jeff, we obviously love you up here. All right. We heard about what about the Sony hack?
Who gives a fuck? It's the norm.
Well, Sony gave it.
It's the norm. Everybody's gonna be hacked. You're fully on the record for the rest of your fucking lives. Get used to it.
I agree with that totally.
All right.
I mean,
It's true. Like, forget privacy, right? All right. Uber.
Just go public already, please.
Go public and.
pretty freaking great.
Pretty freaking great. All right. Here's one. Work-life balance.
No such thing. It's all about choices. You make the choices, you go after them, and you live with the consequences, good and bad, and you make your own choices, and you don't wait for some bureaucracy to come out and tell you
100%.
50-50, 49-51, that's all crap. You make the choices, you do the thing, and you live with the consequences.
It's 100% right. It's an individual thing that you have to respect the people that you've surrounded yourself with in your life and take their feelings into account.
Yep.
But it's such an individual thing, and when people try to impose their work-life balance on others without the context of their lives, their upbringings, their spouses, and all variables, the kids' dynamics, it's crazy. That's crazy.
All right. Jack and I gave a talk one time at a conference, and Jack said what he just said, and people in the audience stood up and walked out. I'm noticing nobody's walking out on that. And Gary, you kissed him, so maybe that's why nobody is walking out.
It was a more establishment.
A little bit more establishment. All right, let's just talk about one last thing here in this fast track. Texas, great state of Texas.
I think it's the greatest place you can do big business. We're involved with 3 companies here, and absolutely love the whole atmosphere of this place. The energy of the people, the government, the taxes, everything.
All right.
I hate fucking Texas. Because Texas wholesalers, liquor wholesalers, paid politicians in Texas in the back rooms to keep Wine Library from not being able to ship here while allowing everybody else to do it. So I call that communism, Jack.
You have a different experience.
What'd you do about it?
You can't do shit about it because the fact of the matter is state by state liquor laws.
Yeah, liquor
and
laws.
at the end of the day, I can't do dick about it, and so fuck you, Texas.
But that's,
This is okay.
That's true of a lot of other states in the wine business. Texas is not
Was Texas the
wrong.
only state that did that to you?
Texas is the only state that is letting everybody else ship but me, yes. Texas is the only fucking state that's doing that.
No, I think Texas doesn't like Gary for some reason. You got a Texas.
That's
come and
fine.
love Gary.
Some fucking dick face doesn't like me and was able to get a politician to block me. That's
right.
fine. Fuck you.
How does he really feel? And that's what we need to know. All right. Okay. Look.
But we have two distinctly different
Here,
views.
this is a point of differentiation.